Lolly, come here.
What are you doing up there, Kevin? What are you doing up there?
It's okay, Lolly. It's okay. It's okay, Lolly. I'm not hurting you. You want up here? Yeah, that's a good birdie.
Kevin's eating your hair. He's eating your hair.
Lolly's doing step-ups. Step up, Lolly. Look, Lolly. Lolly, look.
He's genuinely eating your hair. What's it feel like?
I can't feel him doing anything to my hair. All I can feel him is him just sort of pottering around on my head. It's okay, Lolly. It's okay, I'm not hurting you. It's okay, Lolly. Aw, it's okay, Lolly. It's okay.